A roots blower moves air using two side-by-side lobed rotors inside a close-fitting casing. For downward flow, the left rotor turns anticlockwise while the right rotor turns clockwise. As the inlet spaces open, air divides into separate pockets beside the two outer casing walls. Small clearances limit leakage, so the pockets travel around the outside rather than through the rotor mesh. At the outlet, each pocket opens into the downstream system and meets its higher pressure. Flow rises roughly with rotor speed, although leakage, heating and pulsation reduce real performance. So the cycle is simple: admit the air, trap it, carry it around both outer walls, then discharge it.